English conversation practice for daily life. Do you make breakfast yourself?
My wife makes my breakfast each morning.
Does it often snow in Shanghai?
I don't know. I'll ask my brother.
Why don't you come to the movies with me?
Let me grab my purse.
Which department do you work for?
I work in the sales department.
It's all my fault.
Please don't blame yourself.
I don't feel like eating out this evening.
I can cook spaghetti and make a salad.
Whose room is this?
Is Charlie's room.
What do you usually do for exercise?
Swimming and running are my favorite types of exercise.
How long will it take to the station?
10 minutes or so, I guess.
My dog dies this weekend.
I'm sorry to hear that.
You will get it fixed today, won't you?
I don't see any problem.
I'm too busy to help him.
He needs a lot of help.
This problem is difficult to solve.
Do you have any questions?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you have any idea?
I have no idea.
Can I help you?
No thanks, I'm just browsing.
She runs faster than I do.
You both run faster than I do.
Could you sign here?
Yes, do you have a pen?
Would you help me remove the refrigerator?
I'm glad to, but I'm afraid I don't have the time.
He's not in my. I take a message for him?
Yes, please.
How are you doing these days?
Not bad, the same as usual.
I want a tie to go with this suit.
A blue tie is good with a gray suit.
May I help you?
Can you show me where I can find toothpaste?
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at 2 p.m.
Where is John?
He is in the bathroom.
Obviously, he is wrong.
What is the correct answer?
Would you like me to help you?
No thank you, I will finish alone.
Do you have any plans for your career?
I hope that I can get a decent job with a good salary.
How was the movie?
I was moved.
Excuse me, but may I open the window?
Yes, it is hot today.
Will you be here at 10 o'clock tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Where's the restroom?
The restroom is beside the living room.
I'd like to see your sister.
She lives in Nebraska now.
I'm afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
I have to go now.
Bye, see you soon.
Don't you think we should break up?
Is that what you really want?
Do you have a good relationship with your colleagues?
My colleagues have turned into some of my best friends.
Where will we eat?
We will eat at Emma's house.
Do you see him often?
We ate lunch together twice a month.
What is your family name?
Smith.
How will this be?
That will be just fine.
How's your business?
We had a rough start, but it's doing great now.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
Is it hard to speak English?
If you practice, English is easy.
Where is the bookstore?
Just around the next corner on your left-hand side.
There is enough room. Let's sit here.
No problem.
How tall you are.
Yes, like my father.
He enjoys studying very much.
So he gets good grades.
What are you doing now?
Real estate sales.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Canada.
How tall are you?
1.70 meters.
I helped her wash dishes.
He dried the plates and cups with a towel.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in my own house.
I wish I could look younger.
I hear drinking water helps keep skin looking young.
Can you come back that day?
Not sure, that depends.
Where does he come from?
America.
How much is it?
It was $200, but now $150.
Is there anybody in the house?
Come in, please.
How did your physics exam go?
Not bad, thanks.
The food is cold.
Heat it up in the microwave.
Have you got your passport?
No, I haven't.
Add some lemon juice to the salad.
No problem.
Is he studying?
No, he is reading comics.
How many people can fit in your car?
7.
I cooked eggs and sausages for breakfast.
Very nice.
How often do you go swimming?
Twice a week.
How are you feeling?
I don't feel good.
Have you got your visa?
Yes, I got it.
The furniture was bought online.
But is it good?
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What's wrong with you?
I have a stomach ache after breakfast.
What would you like to drink?
Beer, thanks.
You get to eat more.
No thanks, I'm full.
You look pale today.
I did not sleep, and I did not eat breakfast.
Wait for a moment outside the room.
When can I come in?
Doctor, is my child well?
Not a big deal.
Is everybody here?
Mary is not here.
Please come again next week.
I will.
Please give me a receipt.
No problem.
When is your birthday?
May 27th.
How much is the furniture?
More than $10,000.
When will you go?
At 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Bring him a bottle of wine.
He never drinks.
Which line can I take to get there?
Line 2.
How did you come here?
By taxi.
Can I smoke here?
No, you can't.
Have you ordered the birthday cake?
Sorry, I forgot about it.
What's your name?
My name is Jones.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st.
What company do you work for?
I work for an investment bank.
What religion are you?
I am a Christian.
Where are you from?
I come from America.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What kinds of films do you like?
I am really interested in horror and action films.
Where do you study?
I am a student at Stanford University.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:40 am.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm unemployed at the moment.
Are you married?
No, but I'm in a relationship.
Where did you learn English?
I picked it up from movies and songs.
What do you do in your free time?
I do volunteer work.
How's the weather?
It's quite cold. Make sure to wear warm clothing.
How are you feeling?
A little depressed.
Did you like the movie?
It was terrible.
I had to work 20 hours yesterday.
That's crazy.